One of the most attractive quality men can have is fuller and thicker hair. Even though not all of us seem to have thicker hair, but you can learn how to thicken your hair. To make your hair healthy and thicker, it'll require changing your lifestyle and using certain natural techniques. While hair follicles' texture cannot be changed, these techniques can make hair seem fuller and minimize breakage and hair loss. Shampooing. Treat your thinning hair with care when you wash it. You don't have to shampoo your hair every day. When you do use a shampoo that's gentle on your scalp and doesn't dry out your hair. If you want thicker hair, avoid average shampoo from drugstore because it sulfates. This can be very harsh for your hair. You should always condition your hair after washing it as well. Conditioner provides a protective barrier on your hair that keeps it from breaking or splitting. Most guys don't use conditioner. Conditioner make your hair smoother and softer. If your hair still feels rough, using a deep conditioner will make difference in your hair. Drying. Drying aggressively, rubbing your wet hair with a towel is not the way to dry your hair. Gently pad your hair with a towel, then let it air dry. If you need, use a blow dryer, use colder version of it so that your hair get less damage. Olive oil. Olive oil is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and some other essential nutrients that may aid your hair's healthy. You can have thicker and healthier hair by simply applying olive oil directly to your scalp on an everyday basis. Olive oil can also make your hair softer as well as moisturize the scalp's dry areas. Warm olive oil to body temperature before gently massaging it into your scalp and hair. If you're looking to thicken your hair naturally, there are several methods you can try. Some of these methods are supported by research, while others are based on personal experiences. One of the most effective ways to thicken hair naturally is to nourish the scalp and hair from the inside out by eating a healthy, balanced diet and incorporating natural oils such as coconut oil or olive oil into your hair care routine. Avoiding heat styling and harsh hair products and trying natural remedies like saw palmetto or green tea. Overall, the key to how to thicken hair naturally is to provide your hair with the nutrients and care it needs to thrive. So these are the natural ways to thicken hair.